Imagine waking up in the morning and realizing that, while you were sleeping, your bank account quietly grew. That's the power of passive income. Money that flows in without you actively working for every single hour. Today, I am going to share powerful passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom and build long-term wealth. First, let's understand what passive income really is. It's money earned with little to no daily effort once the initial work is done. Think of it like planting a seed. You'll nurture it in the beginning, but after some time, it grows and gives you fruits again and again. One of the most popular passive income streams is dividend investing. Companies around the world pay out a part of their profits to shareholders. If you invest in solid dividend-paying stocks, you could be receiving cash every quarter without lifting a finger. For example, imagine owning shares of a company that pays dividends every 3 months. As the business grows, your payouts also increase. Another powerful idea is real estate. Rental properties can generate monthly income while your asset increases in value over time. You buy a property, rent it out, and collect cash flow each month. Some investors even hire property managers so they don't have to deal with tenants directly, making it almost completely passive. Digital products are another gold mine. If you're skilled in something, say graphic design, photography, or writing, you can create digital products like ebooks, online courses, stock photos, or templates. Once uploaded on platforms like Amazon, Kindle, Udemy, or stock image sites, your product keeps selling even while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is also worth mentioning. By promoting other people's products through your website, blog, or social media, you earn commissions on every sale made through your unique link. It requires building an audience first, but once your content is ranking or your social media is active, commissions can flow in automatically. Don't forget YouTube automation. You can create faceless YouTube channels using voiceovers and stock footage. Once your videos gain views and your channel is monetized, ad revenue becomes a steady stream of income. Some creators even hire teams to produce videos for them, making the business scalable and almost passive. Another exciting option is peer-to-peer lending. Platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses, and you earn interest on those loans. It's like being your own bank. Of course, it carries some risk, but diversification can balance that out. Print on demand is another idea. With this model, you design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and when someone orders, the company prints and ships the product. You don't handle inventory or shipping. You just focus on creating cool designs that attract buyers. Let's not forget high-yield savings accounts and bonds. While the returns are smaller compared to real estate or stocks, they are very low risk and truly passive. Your money simply grows in the background without your involvement. Now, here's the truth. Passive income is not 100% passive in the beginning. Every source requires initial effort, whether it's creating a course, buying real estate, or building a YouTube channel. But once the foundation is built, the money starts flowing with minimal work. So how should you start? Step 1. Pick one passive income idea that matches your skills and resources. Step 2. Focus on building it consistently for at least 6 months. Step 3. Reinvest the money you earn into more passive income streams. Over time, your income will compound. The key lesson is simple. Passive income is not about getting rich overnight, but about building freedom, one stream at a time. Whether it's through investing, digital products, or creative ventures, you have the power to build wealth that works for you even while you sleep. So, which passive income idea are you going to start with today?